Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to confirm whether a recovery key exists on your Apple ID. Open Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. This is where Apple stores the recovery key controls. If the recovery key toggle is visible and on, tap it to view or copy the key. Write it down securely. If you don't see the option, you likely never enabled it. Once done, make sure to store the key offline in a safe place so you can use it for account recovery. If no key exists, you can generate one from Password and Security. Apple walks you through creating a recovery key tied to your Apple ID. Choose a secure method to store it, print, metal backup, or an encrypted password manager, because Apple will not keep a copy. Once generated, confirm your trusted devices still sign in and update account recovery contacts so you retain fallback options. It's crucial. A recovery key prevents unauthorized resets, but also means you must keep the key safe or risk losing access. Finish by verifying the key works. Sign out and back in on a secondary device or try a mock recovery flow without completing destructive steps. If you've lost the recovery key and can't access trusted devices, start Apple's account recovery process right away. This can take days and requires identity verification. If things go wrong, contact Apple support, explain you enabled a recovery key, and follow their verification instructions. Keep patient. Recovery without the key is intentionally strict to protect your data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.